Hi, it's Sandra, and today I'm going to do my giveaway. So today I figured for the month of August that I would actually do a Halloween giveaway. And I looked through the plates that I have for giveaways, and man, I have a ton of Halloween stuff. So get ready for Halloween. So the first plate I'm going to give away is Maniology M593. And this is the castle plate. So it's kind of a new plate. And I think it is really cool. So we got all these castles and some backdrops to the castles. And here's a window and just a whole lot of castles. Really cool. Cool for Dracula. And the second plate I'm going to give away is this one. And this one is, what is the name of this one? Here it is. It's Creative Shop 17S. And I did this an earlier video on this. And Creative Shop always has some cool plates because they always just put kind of sporadic things together. And I thought this was a cool plate too. We've got some fingers down here and a witch and a clown and spider web. And we got an alien here and Frankenstein and a cool tree and a ghost. So there's all kinds of nice images on these. So these are the two plates that I'm going to be giving away. And remember that if you do buy anything from Maniology, to use my discount code, which is NS10. That gives you 10% off, and it gives me a little bit of money for my giveaways. And you need to enter me and in my comments no later than 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, August 29th. It's a Friday, and usually after 5 p.m. I'll pick a winner on either that night or the next day. And all the winner has to do is email me at nailstampology@gmail.com and with their address, and I will send these out. So to participate in this giveaway, you have to put enter me in the comments, and you must be a subscriber. If I draw your name and I see that you're not a subscriber, then I just go to the next person. So you've got to be a subscriber, and you have to get your entry in no later than 5 p.m. August 29th, Eastern Standard Time. So there you go. Good luck to everyone. And we're getting closer to Halloween. I can feel those nails turning into ghosts anytime now. So good luck to everyone, and thanks for watching.